Questions. What do plants need to grow? A. Ice cream. B. Toys. C. Sunlight. D. Shoes. Do you know the answer? That's right. The answer is C. Sunlight. Plants are amazing living things that grow from tiny seeds into big plants. To grow, plants need a few important things: water, air, soil, and sunlight. Sunlight is super important because plants use it to make their food in a process called photosynthesis. When plants get sunlight, they turn it into energy and food to help them grow big and strong. So, the next time you see a plant, remember it's using the sun's rays to grow and stay healthy. Have you learned something today? See you again next time.